Engine 12 has 4 crew members. The driver and officer sit up front. 2 firefighters in the back seat. This fire engine is equipped with hundreds of tools. A trauma bag for medical emergencies. There are chock blocks and deployable road cones for directing traffic. Hydraulic tools like the jaws of life, spreaders, and cutters. Tools for everything. Roof tools, extrication tools, sprinkler tools. Big saws for cutting through metal doors and roofs, like the K12. Positive pressure ventilation fans for clearing out smoke. Ladders, roof ladders, extension ladders, folding ladders. Up top, all the fire hose. The driver's pump panel to control the water supply. Big nozzles like the Blitzfire, 500 gallons of water per minute. More medical equipment, oxygen, salvage covers, pump cans. And more tools for chopping, cutting, prying, and smashing. So, when you see Engine 12, wave hello to the firefighters. And if they're responding to a call code 3 with lights and sirens, please move out of their way safely.